Student of class 3. In the last class we have discussed about India's physical features, traditional costume, dresses, national festivals, religious festivals, and the India is a secular country. Secular country means in India there are many faiths and free to pray different gods. And other than national festivals and religious festival, in the some parts of India, peoples also celebrate harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated as to show their gratitude for sufficient rains, enough sunshines, and bountiful crops. Means harvest festivals they can get cut their agriculture things and gather the crops. Okay. And 13th and 14th of April is celebrated as a beginning of new year in whole country, but whereas in the Punjab they were also celebrated. Baisakhi is celebrated on this day. They were also well known as an Khalsa Divas, and Punjabi on this day Punjabi people sing dohas, dance bhangra, and the beat up drums. Like Punjab in Bengal also, people celebrate Poilo Baisakh as the beginning of New Year. Okay, and the traditional specialist made with this freshly harvested crops is offered to the god and consumed by all the great realizes. And like that, another festivals, famous festivals of Assam, that is Bohag or a Rangoli Bihu, is celebrated in Assam, and the traditional Bihu dance is a highlight of this festivals. Many festivals are also celebrated in India other than Baisakhi, Bohag Bihu or Rangoli Bihu. That is Makar Sankranti is an important date in the Hindu calendar. Makar Sankranti, you know, children, we celebrate Makar Sankranti in the month of January. And Pongal is an also an harvest festivals. It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in the mid of January, and this Pongal is celebrated as offering of the first rice of the season, and it is boiled in a sweetened milk in is made to Surya, the god sun. Pongal is celebrated in 4 days in the Tamil Nadu and in the month of mid January, and they were offering the first rice of the seasons, that is boiled in a sweetened milk, and it is honored to the god of sun. The people of Haryana and Himachal also celebrate Lohri, marking the end of the winter season and the beginning of the spring season. A huge bonfire is lit and people gather around singing, dancing, and throwing sesame seeds and ravioli candy in the fire. Lohri is mostly celebrated in Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. Lohri marking the end of the winter season and beginning of the spring season, and people gather and make a bonfire and they dance, sing, and they throw a sesame seeds on that bonfire, and ravioli candy also they throw in a bonfire. Gajak is a sweet, traditional sweet enjoyed in these festivals. And Onam, children's, in the picture you can see this is the pictures. They were celebrating Baisakhi. This is Bohag Bihu dancing. This is Onam festival. Pongal festival is celebrated, and the last one is the Onam. The Onam means Onam festivals is celebrated in Kerala in the month of August to September. Pongal festival is celebrated for the 10 days with a great fanfare. In addition to the eating of Onam Sadhya, a feast made of more than 25 dishes, there are parades and floating and boat races also. Boat races all over the state they will play, and boat races like this type of boat races play in this Onam festivals. And Onam festival is mostly celebrated in the states of Kerala, and it is lasted up to the 10 days, and it is mostly celebrated in the month of September. Okay. Other than um, harvest festivals, there are also a musical dance form in India. You had heard that the Indian musical dances dance form, and Carnatic music is famous in whole all over the world. Like Indian music and the dance as classical as well as in folk dance and Indian music, and it is maybe either sometimes Hindustani or the Carnatic music. The varieties of musical instruments include in India. This is harmony. Some pictures are there. This is harmony, santur, sehnai, tabla, dholak, mridangam, pakwaj, sitar, sarod, veena, jaltarang, and many more. Also, these are on the folk music ranges from the Baithiali of the Bengal to Mannat of Rajasthan. Indian classical dances are also famous. You know very well, children, that is Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Odissi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, and Kuchipudi. These are the folk dances of India. While other than folk dances of India, this Bharatnatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi ranges that the Chahu dance of Chota Nagpur and the Marathi Lavani dance is also famous, and all these are in the Hindustani classical dance form of India. Sometimes it is this differences that the bind of people's India together, and it is the same say that the India is in diversity. So children's in India, these are the classical dance form of India. This is musical instrument, and these are the folk dance of India. All this shows that India is in diversity where unity is diversity, because all many peoples of India live together. Different peoples, like different religious following peoples, different languages peoples, different costumes, traditionals. Everybody is living in India, but they are live together. So India is also known as the one of the example for the unity in diversity.